Bomb explosions targeted at the media, particularly Thisday newspapers, have killed at least 11 people in Abuja. The explosions, which occurred simultaneously Thursday morning, rocked Thisday office in Abuja and another location near its office in Kaduna. The chairman editorial board of Thisday, Shegun said 2 security men and the suicide bomber died in the attack. He added that 5 other support staff sustained injuries in the attack.
Sorry, please, can you explain what happened? Somebody was lying down there.
We are lying down there.
You were lying on this chair?
No, the back of the chair.
The back of that chair? When the bomb exploded?
Yeah.
So what happened after then?
No, we just run out.
Okay, so you say you're saved by the chair. How exactly? I don't understand if you're on the chair.
100 people. 100, but
100 people.
37 people feared death. 37 people feared death.
What about 100? You said 100 what? 100 what?
No.
You said 100 what? 100 people.
No.
Injured.
100 casualties.